From the Beam Media Studios in Dallas, Texas, this is the For Drew Show. The show where I, Jack Everett, tell Drew about my life, so he'll know what's going on in the world. Well, Drew, what do I got for you today? Well, I know that you use a keyboard at work, and sometimes keyboards become very, very dirty over years of use, like this keyboard here. And so today I wanted to cover various ideas for cleaning a keyboard, and let's find out what exactly is going to work. And I know one of the popular electronic cleaning devices is compressed air. And as always, this compressed air I got at Kroger. So what you want to do with this kind of cleaner is probably not shake the can. I don't think you shake the can. I think you just spray it. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but a little bit of dust and stuff is kind of flying around. But the keyboard is still this brown color from all the use that this keyboard has been through. So I do not think that this air compressing thing is actually very good for cleaning anything. So the next idea that I think we're going to have to try, since the air compressor didn't actually clean the keyboard at all, is this very interesting thing that I found on the internet, and it is called Super Clean. So let us open up our Super Clean. And this I did not get at Kroger, unfortunately. I don't know if they have it there, they might. But I got it on Amazon.com. Okay, so what we need to do, I think, is just take this gel gooey thing and just press it into the keys like this. And this should make the keys 100% clean when we peel it off. And it did not do anything. The keys are still very, very cruddy. I am sorry, Super Clean. Super Clean does not work. You'll see this keyboard is just as cruddy. It didn't remove anything. You know, it didn't remove a dang thing. Okay, I think we're going to have to try the dishwasher. So let us go to some separate footage whilst we try the dishwasher, shall we? And we're back. And as you can see, the dishwasher did absolutely nothing for this keyboard. So, Drew, we're going to have to take things up to a whole new level because this spray did not work. This gooey stuff did not work. And the dishwasher also did not work. So, I think what we really need is what we've been doing wrong, I think, is that this is the right idea because this does say great for a keyboard. There's a picture of a keyboard right on it. And so you know that this is supposed to be good for keyboards. But the problem is this has a mere 2 or 3 psi's of spraying power. And what we really need is 100 psi's of spraying power. Okay, so now we have our air compressor with our specialized air compressing powerful spray. And we don't even have the PSIs all the way up. So let's turn this up to 140 PSIs. Shall we? We shall. And now let us see what it does for this keyboard. Oh! All right, as you can see, we're getting a lot of cleaning power. Well, Drew, as you can see, after all that effort, it is a little bit cleaner. This has been the For Drew Show. I'm Jack Everett. Thanks for watching.